So at first I was super happy with this. It was 107 degrees and we had this in the back of the Jeep, open to the sun all day, and it kept ice. Anyway, that was a couple days ago. But what I have noticed is that when it is melted and there's water in there, it leaks if you put it on its side. So like, to the side. I've seen that with latches too. But, yeah, great cooler. But once it starts melting, don't tip it over.